What is the most profitable food to make on a food truck? Well, if you're looking to get into the food truck industry and start your own food truck business, you might want to listen to these top 5 choices that food truck entrepreneurs have been making that have huge profits and margins. I'm actually go through the entire list and I'm going to give you a rundown of the average cost and even the profit margin. So stick with me all the way to the end, and then we got a couple extra resources at the end of this video for you, the food truck entrepreneur, here on Food Truck Freaks. All right, welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. You definitely want to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you're new to our channel, because we are all about food truck entrepreneurship, bringing you tips, tricks, pointers, and understanding the permits, licenses, and so much more. So definitely want to get into figuring out what are the top 5 most popular food truck profitable foods to actually make, and what are they, and how do they break down in cost, Damien? So determining the most profitable food to sell from a food truck actually depends on several factors, including the cost of ingredients. You want to think about also the preparation time, popularity of the dish itself, and price flexibility. Now, however, it's kind of easy to understand that generally items that have a high perceived value, relatively low cost ingredients, and quick preparation times tend to be the most profitable. So here are a few examples of some of the most popular, at least the top 5, that we can dwindle down and give you a rundown. So number 1, tacos. Yes, believe it or not, tacos have a high markup potential. Ingredients like tortillas, meat, and vegetables are relatively inexpensive. Now, granted, yes, meat might be a little bit on the high end, but if you get it in bulk, you can still make a profit with these items. They're also very quick to prepare and can be sold at a variety of price points depending on the ingredients and the market. So one thing you want to keep in mind when I run through this list really quick is a little side tip note here, is that you want to understand also the cost of ingredients is one factor. The speed in which you can create a freshly made item to eat. Just like fast food places like McDonald's and everyone else in between, Wendy's, you go to Arby's, Burger King, all of these places rely on fast, easy to make products. So you need to think about that, especially if you're new to food truck entrepreneurship and even starting your own food business. The prep time is something that's truly really important, and it could cost you a lot more money in wages and payroll, or if you have a very quickly made item, you can put out more products with less pay for payroll and less time to make the item.